It's the 19th of the month, and today, like every month, we encourage you to perform your self-breast exam and remind your buddy to do the same. It's a commitment we will continue to honor as reports show breast cancer remains one of the most common and deadly forms of cancer in South Carolina. A nurse we spoke with explains speaking up for yourself is one of the most powerful weapons in the fight against this disease.
Really, it's your life that's on the line. We can be our best advocates. Finding a lump earlier rather than later, and it means that you have a decreased likelihood that it will advance.
Words that Jessica Gonzalez lives by. She knows more than most people about this disease. She has an advanced degree in nursing, is a Pipeline faculty fellow, and a research associate with USC's College of Nursing.
I was very fortunate in getting diagnosed at a very early stage.
And a breast cancer survivor who's studying the disparities related to this disease.
Among Black women, that we know that they're more likely to have a more advanced stage of breast cancer.
And according to DHEC, breast cancer is the most commonly diagnosed cancer among women in South Carolina.
Usually an identifiable mass, which is usually one that will also be caught on a mammogram, can be as small as like a grain of rice.
And the second most common cause of cancer-related death.
If your gut is telling you something is not right, that gut is so reliable. We know that patients are often so spot on about their own bodies and when something's abnormal. And that's been supported in a plethora of research.
And if you feel uncomfortable pressing for a screening, there are patient advocates in hospitals.
You can talk to them and say, like, I am really concerned about XYZ being, my increased risk for breast cancer. I don't feel like I'm being heard. How can you help or facilitate my ability to move forward?
And while this whole process can be overwhelming, Gonzalez says you don't have to do it alone.
Having somebody who's there to hold your hand or advocate beside you or even just physically be in the room is such an important part of just the healthcare journey.
Like so many of you, breast cancer has impacted my life as well. My beautiful grandmother, Roberta Tucker, was a breast cancer survivor. She credited God in early detection with saving her life. So again, my friends, perform that self-breast exam and remind your buddy to do the same. For News 19, I'm Whitney Sullivan.